we are the anti single pane of glass company as well, because the problems that we see today are outpacing human scale. Yeah, what I love about our product and how we use AI and ML is we really use in this pipeline effect. So every step along the way, as that data is coming in, being enriched, pulling out key information from log files, learning the topologies and dependencies of that, classifying and categorizing them, we're able to do this in real time at massive scale across a pipeline. So what we're going to see in our industry is not the evolution of some magic new algorithm. It's really going to be how that is being applied. So it can be some basic AI that we see today, but it can be the application of it at scale through a pipeline, which I think will continue to evolve. And from that, you're going to get the results like our customers are getting, where they're cutting their MTTR down by 40% for outages and 80% for impairments.
The application isn't just surrounded by, a bunch of software hardened and then a few interfaces in and out. Microservices, its APIs talking to itself all over inside containers, all organized by orchestration like Kubernetes or whatever. It's sort of its own little network, either within or across wherever that all the pieces of that application live. That's a hard thing to get your head around because Kubernetes is spinning things up and clusters are growing, spinning up new microservices, instances of the same service. They may not be there by the time you look at the incident that's occurred. Humans can't follow it that quickly. It's just not possible.
As we start to introduce more DevOps, more and more CI/CD life cycles, more and more just rapid, constant change, we open ourselves up to that change potentially negatively impacting the service and not always just positively impacting it.
Oftentimes what a network or operations person in an observability tool is looking for is, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that means when that happens, or that happens in sequence or in relation to other events. And the time it would take a person to correlate that, connect the dots, and realize that it means X, and that actually is, well, it's probably already happened, not foretelling a problem, right? And by that point, the issues happen, the customer's unhappy. But we're in such an environment where the volumes are so high, but also the environment is changing. It isn't a rack of equipment all the time anymore.